What is up guys, this is Ayush here back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create macOS Mojave bootable pen drive using Windows, and I'm gonna show you how to fix no boot option or no installer option after creating the bootable pen drive. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, connect the hard disk or the pen drive to your Windows PC and then run transmac. You can download both the files from the description. Run transmac as administrator and then wait for 10 seconds. And then hit start and then select your drive on which you want to install macOS. And then just select this option restore with disk image and browse for the image that you have downloaded. And then click on OK. Once that is done, it will format the drive and will install macOS installer over there. It may take up to 15 to 30 minutes, so wait for that. Once it says restore complete, it means the operation has been completed successfully. Now restart your PC and then connect the pen drive or the hard disk to the PC and then press the boot key, boot menu key. Most HP laptops it's F9, but it may be different for your device. Just Google it for your device. Now don't select your USB disk. Instead we are going to go with the boot from EFI file option. Now boot from EFI file and then select it and then go to EFI, go to Clover, and there you will get a file named as Clover into 64.efi. Select this and it will load Clover bootloader. So yeah, here is the macOS Mojave installer option. Now you can select it and proceed with the installation. And one more thing guys, for this to work properly you need to have boot mode selected as UEFI. It won't work on legacy boot mode. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can check out the description or just go to the BIOS and then go to boot options and make sure boot mode is selected as UEFI. If not, it won't work. On HP laptops, press F10 while booting up to enter into the BIOS menu, and for other devices it may be different. Just Google it for your device. And guys, if you need any help regarding the Hackintosh installation or the post installation fixes, then you can check out my other videos from the description as well. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks, bye guys, peace.